What if I told you that the quietest home on your block could be created using materials growing right in your garden? Forget foam panels and synthetic barriers, nature has been hiding the ultimate soundproofing solution in plain sight. Today, we're uncovering how everyday natural materials can turn your home into a sanctuary of peace. Here's the problem. Modern homes are getting noisier every year. Traffic, neighbors, even your appliances are adding decibels to your life without you even noticing. Chronic exposure to noise above 55 decibels isn't just annoying, it can affect your sleep, stress levels, and even your heart health, according to the World Health Organization. Most people think soundproofing means expensive foam panels or contractor-level renovations, but those are not only costly, they're often ugly and environmentally harmful. That's why natural materials like wool, cork, and straw are quickly gaining attention. They're sustainable, effective, and bonus, they actually look good. Let's start with wool and felt. These dense fibers trap sound waves, reducing noise without making your home feel like a recording studio. Studies show wool panels can reduce sound transmission by up to 40%. Plus, they're renewable and biodegradable, no guilt about harming the planet. Next, cork. Most of us know it as a wine stopper, but cork's cellular structure makes it a natural sound sponge. It reduces both airborne and impact noise, is fire-resistant, and adds a warm, earthy look to interiors. And then there are lesser-known heroes. Straw bales, often used in eco-buildings, block external noise efficiently. Recycled denim, yes, old jeans, can be compressed into DIY panels that absorb mid to high frequency. Sounds surprisingly well. Who knew your old wardrobe could help you sleep better? Soundproofing doesn't have to look industrial. For walls, you can frame wool or felt panels as art. Mount them with simple wooden frames or eco-friendly adhesive, instantly functional and stylish. On the floor, cork underlays beneath hardwood or laminate absorb impact noise, while thick wool rugs make living rooms feel like a quiet oasis. The best part, these solutions blend seamlessly with your home's existing decor. Even your headboards, shelves, or wall art can double as acoustic panels. Imagine a cozy, stylish living room that also blocks street noise, functional and beautiful. So, does it actually work? Homeowners who swapped synthetic panels for natural options like recycled denim and cork report interiors up to 30% quieter. And the cost? Natural materials often run half the price of synthetic panels and last longer without off-gassing harmful chemicals. And the benefits go beyond quiet. Your air quality improves, your home feels warmer and more inviting, and eco-friendly renovations can even increase property value. It's a win on every front. Here's the key. Start small. Identify the noisiest areas: bedrooms, offices, living rooms, and add natural panels, rugs, or cork flooring. Look for local suppliers, or try DIY kits for wool and recycled denim panels. The future of soundproofing is sustainable. Biodegradable foams, bio-based composites, and acoustic coverings made from agricultural waste are emerging. One thing is clear: nature has already given us the tools to build quieter, healthier, and more beautiful homes. So next time you dream of peace and quiet, remember, it might just be growing in your garden, waiting to turn your home into the sanctuary you deserve.